guys, I am a big believer on what you consume really makes an impact on your mental health, on your, body, mind, what you start the day with. So I make sure that the things that I start my day with are just perfect. Like I have a song that I want to hear when I first wake up in the morning. One of the things that I do is I have a shortcut that will send me an email every day at 5:30 in the morning. I wake up at 5:15, get my coffee. And then when I finally do get to my email, that is the first thing I see. Okay. And it's just a little pick me up. That's how I want to start my day. I don't want to start my day with like the news or anything that is going to affect my overall well-being. I really just want a solid start when I'm first waking up. Okay. So, I'm going to teach you today how to create this shortcut that will automatically send to you every day. It doesn't have to be. If you don't want it in the morning, maybe you need a midday pick-me-up. Maybe you need something at the night. Maybe you need something on Fridays when you deal with a certain coworker that drives you crazy. Maybe you need that email to be like, okay, calm down. Whatever's going to help you make you happier and, bring more ease to your day. I hope this does it. Okay. So what you need is you need an Apple. You need your iPad or an iPhone to do this, and you need the Shortcuts app. And it's so simple. So let's get to it. I'm in the Shortcuts app. I am going to tap the plus button. It says new shortcut. I'm going to name it hello. All right. So that's my email. Now we are going to go to search actions over here, and you're going to type in text. Okay, and see this, there's lots that come up, but you want this one. It just says text. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see, you just type in, hi, good morning. Where is it? Good morning. All right, this is where you'll put whatever, but for today's purposes, we're just going to do it very simple and have it say hi and good morning. Now, what you want to do is you want to send it. So you want to type in email, all right, on the right side over here. And so you want to look for send email. Tap on send email. You can see that now the text is connected. There's a little line here and it's connected. It says send text with subject to recipients. You want to put in a subject, hi, and then you want to choose your recipients. Okay. I'm not doing that. I have one that I've done because I'm not showing my email address. So, you definitely will put in the recipients and then put in from. Okay. It says optional, but so I have it to and from my exact same email address. Then you want to turn off show compose sheet. You don't want that. Oh my God. You want to turn off show compose sheet, and you do not want to save as a draft. I will block that out. Anyway, I'll redact it. Anyway, so you'll want to fill that out. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I have a test right here. So you can see I wrote in hello future Erika, send the text. And then at the very end, you want to put in, I forgot to show that to you. Under search actions, you want stop this shortcut. Okay, so I've already added stop this shortcut, but you want to stop it. Okay. All right. So now we're going to test it. All right. So you're going to click play and it will come through. There it is. Good morning. Okay, so now that just sent you one email. Now you want to go into, and you want to have it sent to you every day. So you want to go into the automation. It's under gallery, and you're going to click the plus button like that. Okay, so personal automation, time of day. All right. So what time? So we'll say it's set, let's see, it says it's 10:59 now. So I will set that at 11. I'm going to try to do this very quickly. Okay, so now at 11, what do you want it to do? You want it to send your shortcut. Find your shortcut, put it in, and that's that. It's going to send you your shortcut. So at 11 o'clock, but this is, This is what you don't want. You want it to run immediately. And you, I'm trying to beat the clock here because it says it's, so yeah, you want it to run immediately. You do not need to be notified. Do not click that button. At 11 a.m., it's going to send my test morning email. Boom. So hopefully I left it enough time to do it. So I guess we're going to see if that comes through at 11. It's pretty cool. You can do it for anything.
It's 11 o'clock.
Oh, let's see. Let's see what happened at 11 o'clock. There it is at 11 o'clock. Good morning. Hello, future Erika. Today is going to be a great day. So I hope that this helped you. And I mean, like, really, the possibilities are endless. I mean, you could even like send a daily email to like your spouse or significant other, or be like, I know that would be a little impersonal though, to have something sent every day, but you could. So I hope this helped you. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.